Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make boy in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first. Take earth. Then add water to it. When you do that, it will make plant. Then go to the other side. Take fire. Then you have to add wind to it. When you do that, it will make smoke. Then add water to it. When you do that, it will make fog. Then you have to combine fog to plant. When you do that, it will make mushroom. Then add mushroom to it. When you do that, it will make giant mushroom. Then add fog to it. When you do that, it will make smurf. Now, we are halfway done. Then go to the other side. Take water. Then add water to it. When you do that, it will make lake. Then combine smurf with lake. When you do that, it will make blue. Then go to the other side. Take earth. Then add earth to it. When you do that, it will make mountain. Then add lake to it. When you do that, it will make fjord. Then add water to it. When you do that, it will make whale. Then go to the other side. Take earth. Then add wind to it. When you do that, it will make dust. Now, combine dust to whale. When you do that, it will make sperm. Then add dust to sperm. When you do that, it will make baby. Now, the last step is to combine baby with blue. When you do that, it will make boy. Voila! And that's how you make or create boy in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Happy crafting!